Hey everyone, this is Coach Charles, and today I'm coming to you with Zach, and Zach is going to be demonstrating foam rolling on your IT band. Now your IT band is nothing but a connective tissue from your glutes or from your hips down to your knee. Now it's very important that if you foam roll no other muscle, that you at least foam roll your IT band. The reason why I say that, because it is estimated that people who run a lot or 70% of knee issues come from the IT band being tight or not stretched. So if you want to avoid knee injury or knee issues, you definitely want to make sure you're rolling your IT band. Now, for the sake of video, Zach is performing the IT band roll with his leg and back. The reason for that is because of the video. But typically, you will bring your foot in front and you will use this foot to kick off to go back and forth. As you also see, Zach does a rocking back and forth to target the muscle a little bit more. And he's using his foot to kick back and forth. And also, when you're foam rolling, you want to find the adhesions. Adhesions are nothing more than just knots, a tender spot. And once you find that tender spot, you want to be able to rest your muscle on that tender spot for about 20 to 30 seconds. And while you're resting that muscle 20 to 30 seconds, you want to breathe in and out. And then you continue foam rolling the full muscle. So he's doing it with one leg. Now with an advanced way, you want to do it with two legs. Now, two legs, this is a little bit more difficult and you'll feel more of the deep tissue massage. But if you can't handle the two leg, then you can just simply go back to one leg. All right, guys, this is Coach Charles coming to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe.